Hi everybody, welcome to Lake of the Ozarks. I'm Captain Ben Beecher. Today we're on a 2024 Galeon 325 GTO. Starting off the back of the boat here, you can see it's got a dual entry on both sides of the boat, so makes it real easy to get on and off the boat wherever you're tied up at a dock. And it is powered by the V10 400s, new V10 400s, so nice quiet motors, fuel efficient. It does a great job for this boat running around on the lake. So come on in. Back here at the back of the boat, we have these nice aft benches. So if you're out at anchor, want to look back of the boat, you can certainly, or you can just have it set up for entertainment inside here. And you can see once we have those back, we have this nice, inviting, entertaining cockpit area. Over here on the port side, you're going to notice the wet bar with Canyon grill, refrigerator, storage, sink, and trash. And just behind it, you're going to see this terrace here folds out. So we can actually lay this terrace out flat, give us extra space while we're anchored out. Coming up to the helm here, my favorite place on the boat. See, we have these really cool new chairs that Galeon did. 325 GTO embroidered right on them. Really neat how they hug you. It just kind of feels really good sitting in there. These are power actuated forward, back, up, down, so you can adjust it however you need it. Same with the steering wheel here. So very user-friendly space here. Joysticks in a great spot, shifters. I mean, just visibility on this boat is absolutely awesome. Very impressive looking, and they did a great job with all the ambient lighting. Downstairs, you're going to have a place to sit up front, converts into a bed, and you also have a bed back under the stairs, as well as a little refrigerator down there and full-size bathroom. So really made a great use of small space in that. Coming up to the bow here, I'm going to say this is going to be my second favorite place on the boat here. Great seating all the way around, U-shaped seating, very comfortable. Deep in here, you're in a safe place, riding up front. You got your fold-down armrest with cup holders inside of them. Great job with cup holders, Galeon, on these GTOs. They got cup holders lit up and everywhere. So once again, it's Captain Ben Beecher at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thank you for taking the time to go through this all-new 2024 Galeon 325 GTO. Thanks. Have a great day.